Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Learning English សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Cam Learning English សាជាថ្មីបាទថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងមានទម្រង់វេយ្យាករណ៍ដែលជាការអនុវត្តណាបន្តកាលពីភាគមុនបាទកាលពីវីដេអូមុនគឺយើងបានរៀនច្រើនមកហើយស្ដីអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់ present simple ហើយនឹងពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹង quiz មួយចំនួនទៀតមែនទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះយើងសូមបន្តបាទពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹង present simple ដដែលវាគឺជា exercise ណាវាគឺជា practice exercise លំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តតែម្ដង Okay, now let's start. Yeah, present simple negation. Yeah, exercise 5. Okay, present simple negation. Negation means negative. ទម្រង់បដិសេធ Okay, and use short form. Yeah, isn't done blah 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 or anything else. Yeah, that it is a suitable or incorrect. Yeah, in the expression here. So it's not just only isn't or done. Yeah, can be more than this. Yeah, can be doesn't or anything else. Yeah. Okay, ចឹងនៅក្នុងចំណុច short form ណាតម្រងកាត់ដែលត្រូវបំពេញនេះមានដូចជា isn't មាន done ហើយគេដាក់ចុចមកទៀតអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងចំណុចចុចនេះគឺមិនមែនមានតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងមិនមែនមានតែពីរមុខហ្នឹងទេគឺវាអាចមានដូចជា doesn't ឬក៏តម្រងផ្សេងដែលបាទវាត្រឹមត្រូវទៅតាមបាទតម្រងខាងដើមរបស់គេបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងសរុបឲ្យខ្លីនៅក្នុង exercise មួយនេះគឺសម្រាប់អនុវត្តពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងបាទមានន័យថាពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងតម្រងបដិសេធបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមានតម្រងស្របហើយបើសិនយើងចង់បង្កើតជាតម្រងបដិសេធបាទនៅក្បែរនឹងឬក៏ប្រយោគផ្សេងមួយនឹងទៀតថាតើវាមានតម្រងបែបណាណា Okay, now let's start everyone. Number one, we have some milk. Okay, we blah 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 any milk. Okay, so before you make the negative form, you have to take a look at the first sentence whether the verb is the main verb is the ordinary verb that have to use done or doesn't or some word or some verbs that you have to use or to plus only not. For example, if there's some, for example, to be, am, is, or are, you plus only not. For example, right? Am not, is not, or are not. But you have to complete it here in the short form, right? Okay, ចឹងបើសិនជាមាន to be, am, is, are យើងគ្រាន់តែបន្ថែមតែ not ទេតែបើសិនជាវាជា main verb ធម្មតាយើងត្រូវបន្ថែម done ឬក៏ doesn't ណា we have some milk ចឹង have ហ្នឹងគឺជា verb right ជា ordinary verb ចឹងយើងត្រូវដាក់មកទៅ we done right okay we don't have okay we don't have any milk. Number two, mother shoes Jenny Jin. Yeah, mother Jenny's Jin. What's that? Shoe. Yeah, shoe is verb, right? So mother is a person singular. Okay. So you have to use does. But the negative form doesn't. Okay, doesn't shoe. Yeah, shoe without s because when you change the verb from a positive to negative and question, so you omit also. You can say you have to delete s with a verb, right? Okay, number three, I had translations. I translation. Okay, ជំរាបខ្ញុំស្អប់ okay ស្អប់មេរៀនគណិតវិទ្យា so I was it I done had okay in the negative so I use with done ណាចឹងបើសិន I យើងប្រើមួយ done okay number 4 my brother likes eating oranges my brother eating oranges so the negative okay the first sentence my brother likes ចឹង the verb likes ចឹង my brother ជា singular ឯកវចនៈទេវាស្មើនឹង he មែនទេចឹង he យើងប្រើជាមួយ doesn't you lie without s okay ចឹង like មាន s ទេដោយសារតម្រងបដិសេធ Number 5, my parents often watch westerns. Okay, my parents blah blah often western. Okay, so my parents often watch. So often watch which is main verb. Okay, my parents which is plural noun. This month they. So my parents done, right? Okay, done often. Was it the verb watch, right? Okay, watch westerns. Okay. And number 6, children like ice cream. Some children ice cream. So the verb like, right? Children is a plural noun. Và chẳng children ấy cứ chỉ niệm về hữu chân á. Cái là sắp cứ lại. Okay, some children with man they. Mene. Chứng they done. Yeah, they done lie. Okay, they don't mean some children don't like ice cream. And number 7, the monkey wants some bananas. Yeah, the monkey some bananas. Okay, so you can complete here. The monkey wants. Yeah, the verb want. So the monkey is a singular, right? Doesn't. Yeah, doesn't want without s. I mean at then. And number 8, they are hungry. They hungry. Okay, so the verb are. Chứng verb are នេះគឺជា verb to be, right? To be យើងអត់ប្រើ done or doesn't អត់ប្រើទាំងពីរហ្នឹងទេយើងគ្រាន់តែបន្ថែម not នៅបន្ទាប់ពី are. Okay, they what's it are short form aren't, right? Okay, they aren't hungry. And number 9, we get up early on Sundays. We up early on Sundays. Okay, so the verb get, right? We use with done. Okay, and done get. Okay. And number 10, Petra is sometimes very tired. Petra sometimes very tired. Okay, John Petra is sometimes very tired. The verb to be is. Okay, ចឹងគេសពគឺគេសព to be is ហ្នឹងគេថាជួនកាល Petra ហ្នឹងអស់កម្លាំងខ្លាំងណាស់ Okay, Petra is ទៅជាគេ Asian, right? Asian sometimes very tired. And number 11, I am a good pupil. Yeah, pupil កូនសិស្សណាខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាសិស្សល្អទេ sorry ខ្ញុំជាសិស្សល្អម្នាក់ ដល់ negative បរិសេធយើងត្រូវដាក់ថាខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាសិស្សល្អម្នាក់ទេមែនទេចឹង I am ចឹង to be am, I am. So am what's it am not, right? Am not a good pupil. Okay, ត្រូវចំណាំផងដែរណាប្រព័ន្ធការប្រើ am not គឺយើងអត់មានទម្រង់កាត់ទេណាបើសិនជា Asian ឬក៏ aren't យើងមានទម្រង់កាត់ណាយើងអាចដាក់កាត់បានបើសិនយើងកាត់បាននៅកន្លែង am នេះណាកាត់នៅកន្លែង am បាន Okay. Okay, number 12, school always start at 7 o'clock. Yeah, school always at 7 o'clock. ចឹងគេថាសាលាតែងតែចាប់ផ្ដើមចូលរៀននៅម៉ោង 7. Okay, the verb start. Okay, school singular noun. Okay, ចឹង school ជានាមឯកវចនៈអត់មាន s ទេណាចឹងមានន័យថាយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង doesn't វាស្មើនឹង it doesn't មែនទេ Okay, school doesn't always was it always start, right? Without s អត់មាន s ទេ but I said. And number 13. Okay, let's go ahead everyone. Okay, number 13, Kate always has her piano lesson on Fridays. Yeah, Kate always her piano lesson on Friday. Okay, so the verb has used with cat ចឹងគេសព្ទគឺ has ដែលប្រើជាមួយនឹង Kate បើសិនជាស្រីមានន័យថាស្មើ she មែនទេ she always has. Okay, so cat doesn't, right? Doesn't always have, has change to have. Okay, ជាកិស័ព្ទ has នេះអាចប្រើបានជាមួយនឹងទម្រង់ he, she, it as a third person singular but then if that the wrong part of side and some no yang do to you have to you don't down với nhá. Okay. And number 14, in summer it's sometimes very hot. Yeah, in summer it's sometimes very hot. Okay. And again in summer it's I mean it is, right? Just to be here. Chết âm mạnh tới is isn't, right? It isn't sometimes very hot. And number 15, Mom washes all my dirty clothes. Yeah, Mom all my dirty clothes. Yeah, chẳng má bao sầm nệm bẹt có click rồi có sầm nệm bẹt đã có phọt bọc trong tầng ở. Okay, the verb was bảo nó washes. Chúng Mom chia singular noun. Okay, chẳng Mom nó mang she và quạt. Okay, chẳng dân pra cho mình doesn't, right? Mom doesn't wash. Okay. And number 16, Peter has got a brother. Peter a brother. Yeah, Peter has got. Okay, nên khi chúng mình has got này, cứ dân thầy chạm nãy và bẹp bọn năng cả pra have got này cứ chính màu pi tầm rong, made it have got has got nó với smart miên được kia này. Okay, tầm rong sum nô nó bài sát, dương còn từ lực have rồi cả has đang đặt hàng một máu ban gì sum nuôi. Tam san bài sát dương còn thành notនៅបន្តពី have ឬក៏ has ចឹងយើងអត់ប្រើ done ឬក៏ doesn't ទេនៅក្នុងចំណុចហ្នឹងណា Okay ចឹង Peter បើសិនយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង has ទៅជា hasn't got Okay ចឹងឃើញ got មកគឺថាអូវាជា past simple មែនទេបាទជា verb 2វាជា verb 3មែនទេមិនមែនទេណាវាមិនមែនជាទម្រង់ perfect ទេវាជាទម្រង់ present simple ធម្មតា Okay ពីព្រោះវាបកប្រែថាមាន Okay. Now let's go to number 17. The frog is under the caravan. Okay. The frog under the caravan. Okay. The frog is under. Chân verb is. Okay. Is to be. Chân frog nó còn cái với mang it lại nè. Chân frog. What's it? Is to be isn't. Right? Isn't under the caravan. Okay. Number 18, they are cool. Yeah. Negative, they cool. They cool. Yeah. They are cool. Yeah. And the negative, they cool. So are, right? Are is the verb to be. So are to are not. But in a short form, and, right? They aren't cool. And number 19, Dad buys a new car. Yeah. Dad a new car. So Dad buys. Buy is a verb, right? Dad, it means he, right? So just with doesn't buy, yeah, without us. Yeah. Dad doesn't buy a new car. And number 20, for the last one, everyone. The boys play football. The negative, the boys football. So the boys plural noun. Chẳng noun khang lỡคือ the boys mean mình thay vì chữ bổ vật nè, with man đầy, mình ấy, chúng play with your main verb, with your verb. Chẳng cái này chúng ta the boys with man đầy, okay. Chẳng bổ vật nè, chúng ta mình done rồi có doesn't done, right? Okay, the verb play, yeah, as normal. The boys don't play football. Và comment và có comment prop mình lên báo tọt tệ, nè, okay, football báo tọt. Okay, everyone, there's only 20, yeah, there are only 20 exercise in here, yeah, 20 sentences. So that's all for the exercise for today, for the negative, for the negation, or we can say for the negative sentences, right? Okay, so that's all. If you have any problem related to this quiz or this exercise, so please leave your comment below and then I have to reply. Okay, goodbye.